It's me, Shane, and today I'm going to be doing a Rubik Cube review. So if you watched the last video I made, I was using this one. My sister was using this one. I never even showed this cube on camera. So, move the camera. There. You guys see that thing right there? That's my Mewtwo. Yes, I just taped it on the wall for my door. So, this one spins a lot, so that's why I really like it. I never even wanted to slide more. I didn't put gelatin. I don't know what it's called, but I didn't put petroleum jelly in it. So this one spins kinda. You can't really spin it that well, but I don't really care how it spins because they're all cubes. I just like to solve them and do random stuff with them. I like to race people too. So I guess that's all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, like, and subscribe. Take a look at and just look at the colors. Yeah, that's one. This is 2. I got time. 3. My dad didn't want me to mess it up, so I kept it like that. So bye, guys.